Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello viewers, welcome back to R.H. Educational channels. Dear viewers, do you know how to say purple color in Arabic? Do you know how to say white color in Arabic? Do you know how to say green color in Arabic? Do you know how to say blue color in Arabic? If you don't know, you are kindly requested to see this video completely. Dear viewers, I came today with new and very important topic in our daily life, and that is regarding colors name in Arabic language. Today I will teach you regarding colors name completely in Arabic language. After seeing this video, you will be able to use Arabic colors name in your daily life. So let's begin. So we will start from blue. For blue color we use in Arabic azraq. Azraq means blue color. Now see red. For red color we use in Arabic ahmar. Ahmar means red color. Now see yellow. For yellow we use in Arabic asfar. Asfar means yellow color. Now see green. For green color we use in Arabic akhdar. Akhdar means green color. Now see black. For black color we use in Arabic aswad. Aswad means black color. Now see white. For white color we use in Arabic abyad. Abyad means white color. Now see gold. For gold color we use in Arabic dhahbi. Dhahbi means gold color. Now see silver. For silver color we use in Arabic fiddi. Fiddi means silver color. Now see brown. For brown color we use in Arabic bunni. Bunni means brown color. Now see pink. For pink color we use in Arabic wardi. Wardi means pink color. Now see gray. For gray color we use in Arabic ramadi. Ramadi means gray color. Now see purple. For purple color we use in Arabic banafsaji. Banafsaji means purple color. Now see orange. For orange color we use in Arabic burtaqali. Burtaqali means orange color. So this is enough for today. I hope you understood very well colors name in Arabic language through this video. So see you again with a new topic in next class inshallah. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.